25%. 0%. 25. 0%.
See?
%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. 50%. 1 minute. 50%.
I got it.
Warning. 30 seconds.
Whatever. Yeah, typical.
Nice prop on it.
It's got the standard Eflite prop for all their warbirds.
Now see, that's what I did. So you don't have yellow on the back of the prop, right?
6, 5, 4,
Maybe fighters had
0.
it too, but a lot of them didn't have it on the back because it's kind of, you know, it's going to bother your eyes because you're going to have this yellow streak in front of you.
25%. 0.
Just screwed up my video.
50%.
Yeah, problem's fixed. Back to fly.
Whenever you turn, you're always going to lose some altitude.
Okay.
Whenever you're turning,
Time remaining
that's a good color.
50%.
For me to see it, yeah.
50%. 0%.
What makes an airplane turn? Yeah. The wind. Yeah. I was mansplaining it to Tammy. I'm sure she appreciates it.
25%.
No, she does. She's.
I appreciate it.
Not the rudder makes it turn. The wind.
We couldn't figure out why the plane kept crashing on takeoff.
She kept trying to take off, and it started going this way, and then you kind of select.
50%.
So as soon as you take off, it'd flip over.
Yeah, we couldn't take off, really.
50%.
Yeah.
Did you spray it on or brush?
I sprayed it on.
Okay.
Now, if I do this again using that stuff, what I would probably do. Well, he's got a few of his too. He just hasn't bothered with it.
I'll be landing. I usually save this for my 3D plane.
Picture roll.
Yeah, well, I usually spin the 3D planes at that point, but I'm not doing that.
Saw your shadow out there, and you had nobody with
right?
you. That's a
I'll
good
tell you,
sign.
man, I'm always nervous about those trees. I just never know how freaking far away they are.
I know. That's
Yeah.
Hey, right.
You're up. Landing
from
flaps.
the west and northeast. So I look at this. Let's see, what's 30 degrees?
25 per
Then there's
0.
some damn clouds. So they come close. Nice today. Yeah, it is.
There's a screw here, but I don't know what it goes to.
Underground?
Well, it's not a screw, it's a nut.
Or power up, pull it up. There you go. Perfect.
Gear up.
I did in a video, so yeah.
50%. 50%. Engage.
Beam because I
25%.
flew into the sun.
50%. By 50%. 0. Reverse full.
Look at that. That's a no power because of the wind.
Look.
Timer start. Timer stop.
Did almost like.